Now, dear students, we will move ahead in the chapter number first, crop production and management. Some other topics we will do today. So today we will start some other topics, some agricultural practices. This is the heading today, agricultural practices. Means how ultimately from sowing the seeds up to the storage. This is the complete process. So this complete comes under the agricultural practice. Okay, so what are the things which you are doing under this? So at first there is preparation of soil. Then where the soil is completely prepared, then sowing of seeds sowing of seeds. Then after we are adding the manure and fertilizer also there, adding manure and fertilizers. Then in the next step we just irrigate this also, irrigation, we water the plants, irrigation. This is the next step. Then the next we are just protecting when while we are irrigating. Then after some unwanted plants are also grown there in the field, so we do not need such plants. So such plants are known as weeds. Okay, so we use some other fertilizers to kill those weeds. Okay, so protecting from weeds. Then in the next step we harvest. When the crop is grown, then we cut it. This is known as the harvesting. Then ultimately when it is harvested, then we have to store it somewhere. Then there comes the next step, that is storage. So this is the complete process, practice, agricultural practice, from preparation of soil to the storage. This complete process is there. Okay, now we will discuss the first one, that is what? That is preparation of soil. How do we prepare the soil? Here a concept comes, that is the earthworm. You are knowing it. Earthworms are farmer's friend. All are saying this. How the earthworms are farmer's friend? This is the concept which is coming under the preparation of the soil. How the earthworms are farmer's friend? If I ask you, can you answer me? Now see, what does the earthworm do? The earthworms loosen the soil. They just when in the soil there are earthworms, so they just loosen the soil. When the soil is very tight, very hard soil it is. Okay, so when the earthworms are there, so they will lose the soil. They just loosen out the soil, very loose. They from upside down, side down, side upside, this way. So they just loosen out the soil. Okay, the earthworms, you can write it, the earthworms loosen out the soil. Now what is the benefit of this? So when the soil is very loosened, this is very loose soil now, so what will happen? You can irrigate it very easily. You can add manure and fertilizer there also very easily. Yes or not? Yes. So it helps, it makes the irrigation easy. And manure and fertilizers are also can be added easily. So we can add these things easily there. That is why we can say that earthworms are farmers friend, means they are helping the farmers in loosening the soil. Are you getting this? Yes. Okay, now this is the work of earthworm. Now what is our work? How will we prepare the soil? Okay, the complete field will be the complete soil will be prepared by the earthworm? No, it is not possible. Rather we will have to work for this. We will have to prepare the soil. But how we are preparing the soil? In preparation of the soil, in preparation of the soil, what you are using? First we dig the soil. This is the soil, this is the field. First we need to dig the soil. How will you dig the soil? With the hand? With the help of the hand? No, you need a plowshare for this. And who will pull this plowshare? There are some bullocks which will pull this plowshare. Okay, which will plow this way. There are bullocks, they are just pulling the plowshare, and with this process the field is digged out. Are you getting this? Yes. So first step, we dig the soil. Okay, at first we dig the soil with the help of plowshare or cultivator also. Somewhere we are using the tractor when the field is very long field, so it is not possible to use this plowshare there, so we use their tractor, so it is known as cultivator at that time. Okay, or cultivator. Okay, at first we dig the soil with the help of plowshare or cultivator. Then after, what is happening? When the soil is digged, then it needs to be leveled also. Okay, like this, complete. Right now the soil is like this, somewhere down, somewhere up, somewhere down, somewhere up. Okay, it needs to be leveled like this, so we need a leveler also for this. Okay, then after the soil is leveled using a leveler. With the help of the leveler, we level the field completely. Okay, now when it is leveled completely, then what we do? We add manure, we irrigate it, we sow seeds there. Okay, then the crop will grow. Are you getting this? So this is the first process, means preparation of the soil. Next things we will discuss later in the next lecture. Okay, till then stay tuned, keep watching.